Leo? Did you get another bark box? You did? You're sitting because you want to open it? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Hi guys, I thought it'd be fun to share with you another bark box unboxing. We have our August box and Leo was really excited to open it up. You guys seemed to really enjoy it last time, so I figured I would share it with you guys again this month. So let's go ahead and see what Leo got in his bark box for the month of August. Okay Leo, let's see what's in your box. Ready? Toxic critters. Oh, you found a toy? What is that? Very cute. What else do we have? Some cool treats. He really likes that toy. More treats. Let's see what else. What is this? Oh, you're gonna like this one, Leo. It's like a tug-of-war toy. Yeah. And another bag of treats. Super clocks. Very good. Oh, you're sitting? You want to have a treat? Do you want to have a treat? Yeah? Okay. So we have the butcher block bones, and I think that's what Leo wants first. So I'm going to go ahead and open that for him. Okay, so the theme of this bark box is a comics adventure. Bark Toxic Critters. Really cute, and there's like a little comic book that goes along with this box. And then here are some of the toys. We have this little crinkly guy with the pull ropes. Leo really likes these, and it has a little squeaky inside. We have Drool, and this is just another pork dog treat. And then we have this little squeaky toy, and it has like a rubber tail, which is pretty cool. And the Super Clucks, another little bag of treats. And then the tissue paper is always super cute. It's like comic strip kind of superhero tissue paper. And that is the bark box that we received for the month of August. I think Leo is really happy with his treats today. He's running away with his treat. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this month's bark box unboxing, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys real soon. Take care. Bye.